I'm too sexy for my shirt. Too sexy for my shirt. So sexy it hurts. Actually, yeah, I am too sexy for my shirt because this is my hair dye shirt and it's nasty, but this is the one I wear when I dye my hair. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Shannon, just in case you don't know. If you're new here, welcome. Today I'm going to be dyeing my hair Radiant Raspberry. I get this hair color from Sally's and it is by Ion, and it is a permanent cream hair color, and it comes in a box like this, and inside the box there is a tube. Let me just take out the instructions. There's an instruction insert in there, and there's a tube inside. What you do is you open the lid. It's sealed inside. Actually, make sure it's sealed inside. And then you turn the lid upside down and you puncture the hole. I'm not going to puncture the hole just yet because I still want to tell you guys a few things, just in case you've never used this hair color before or even done this type of hair color before. When I first went to Sally's, I purchased one of these, a bottle of Developer 20, and one of these, and also a pair of gloves. Alright, now 24 to 48 hours before, preferably 48 hours before you color your hair, you do a little spot test back here at the back of your neck. And yes, it's kind of a waste of product, but if you don't want to have an allergic reaction, the best way to do it is to do it that way. If you've used this hair color before and you know you're fine with it, then go ahead, by all means, just do it. But yeah, do the allergy test, you guys. It's really important. I've had a lot of people say they had severe reactions. I've seen pictures and videos and stuff online, and it's really disgusting and scary. So make sure you do the allergy test. Okay, so normally they say every other time you color your hair, do the whole head. And in between those, just do the roots. But because I've waited so long to do my hair, I'm going to do the whole head today. Basically, they tell you to start about an inch from the root first. So you do that, you start about here and you go down and you do your whole head like that, and then you go do the roots, and then when you're done applying the color, you wait 45 minutes before you wash it out of your hair. For some people it might be different, but for me it's 45 minutes. The girl at Sally's told me 45 minutes and that's what works for me, so that's what I do. So now I'm going to tell you the steps that I take when I dye my hair. I'm going to take my Vaseline. The last time I colored my hair, you guys, I was in like a really funky mood, and when I'm in a funky mood, I forget to do things. And I totally forgot to do the Vaseline, and I had stains all in my hairline. Like, it was so gross, and it took like I would say 2-3 washings to get it all gone. And in between that, I was also using makeup wipes, rubbing and rubbing and rubbing to get that off. So yeah, you definitely want to put Vaseline around your face and a little bit into the hairline so that you don't have those stains. Do this before you mix your hair color, because the hair color loses its potency after about an hour. So make sure you do all your prep beforehand. Also, I have a wet cloth right here in case I get it on my face or anything like that. You want to have a cloth handy because you don't want to get any of that in your eyes. You can do this also with cocoa butter, or coconut oil, I mean, sorry, coconut oil. You can also use that. Some people actually dye their hair with coconut oil in their hair, like they leave it in their hair if their hair is damaged, and it works. It doesn't, I used to think that the oil would keep the color from penetrating into the hair, but it does, it works. People do it, so you could do that if you wanted to too, if you have dry hair. Now that I'm grossly lubed up, let's put the Vaseline aside. I have this cup here that I got from Milk of Magnesia, and I keep it in my drawer, and it says to use 30 milliliters of developer per ounce of hair dye. Well, this is basically almost 2 ounces, so you use 60 milliliters per tube. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be using 60 milliliters of this developer, number 20. Okay, so here we go. The little cup is filled, and I'm going to dump it in there. Now you do this. You take the lid off, you flip it the other way, you puncture the hole. Well, you puncture to make a hole right here. Okay, and then you squeeze the tube into the bowl. As you can see, I have the bowl with the developer in it. And now I will add the color. I think they've made the tubes a little thinner this time, which is good, thank God, because the first few times I did this, I'm like, this tube is so hard to squeeze. All right, so now I'm gonna take this brush. This thing, it holds the brush, it sits right inside. I got all this stuff at Sally's. And then you just mix the hair dye and the developer together until it's really well mixed. Make sure it's mixed really properly. Now you guys, I didn't mention this because I don't usually do it, but you probably should. You should be wearing your glasses while you're mixing up the hair dye. I've already mixed mine, but I'm going to put it on because I'm going to be dyeing my hair in a minute. But you should be wearing them, technically, while you're mixing the product, because it will stain your hands. And if you have any like cuts on your fingers or anything like that, the chemical is going to go right in there. All right, so I'm going to start with the, I'm going to turn my mirror around now. I had it on bigger. All right, so I'm just going to take some hair out of the bottom of here. I like to start at the bottom because once the hair is coated with hair dye, to me, for me, like if I start at the top, it's hard to like lift it and get underneath it. So I like to start at the bottom. So you just put some product on your brush and you start to add it. I like holding it because it makes it easier to put through the hair. Like the brush actually goes through the hair. So you see how I'm going about 1 inch from the scalp? So you do that to the whole head and then you go back in and you do the roots. That way you don't have like bright red roots and the rest is like darker. Then you start here, then you end there. Alright guys, so I finished applying the product to my hair. Now I'm just going to wait 45 minutes and then I'm going to go shower and wash this out of my hair and I will be back with the finished product. See you guys soon. Hey guys, back! Shower's done and makeup is done. I actually did a video on this look, so if you're interested in seeing this, that'll be up tomorrow. I just want to let you guys know first that when I went in to have my shower and I rinsed the color out of my hair, I use this Ion Repair Conditioner. You can buy it right at the counter at Sally's, or you can buy it on the, they have it on the shelf and they have it at the counter as well, because some people forget to buy it and they go, oh yeah, I gotta get that, and it's right at the counter. It helps keep the color in your hair, but most of all, it conditions your hair and keeps it healthy, you know, strong, gives it strength and whatever. It makes my hair feel really soft and silky and shiny. I love it. So make sure you pick one of these up to use after you color your hair. Alright, so now I'm just going to show you guys, I'm going to run my fingers through my hair so you guys can see the color. It's the same as how it was when it started out, but only more, like it's more red now. I do have a tiny bit of staining because I didn't get enough Vaseline in there, but that's nothing because when I wear my hair down, you know, over it, you can't really see it. But yeah, this is the color. I really absolutely love it. This is my favorite color that I've ever tried in my hair. I've tried a lot of reds. As a matter of fact, I'm going to put at the end of this video links to other hair color videos that I've done if you want to check them out. But this is my ultimate favorite hair color out of all the ones that I've tried. It's really pretty. And it's a lot healthier and safer for your hair than buying box color. So yeah, that's my tutorial on how to use Ion hair color, and also to show you guys what it looks like before and after. I hope you guys like this tutorial. Please like, subscribe, and share with your friends, and I will see you next time. I love you guys. Bye.